Some more questions on the circles. The question that's given to us is, in the given figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So as we can see that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. All its endpoints are lying on the circumference of the circle, in which angle CAD is 25. CAD, that means this angle is 25. ADB is 35. ADB, that means this angle is 35. And ABD is 50. This angle is 50. We have to calculate angle CBD. CBD, that means this angle. Let's name this angle as X. Angle CAB. CAB. Let's name this angle as Y. And ACB. ACB. Right? That's this angle. Let this be Z. So we have named this. Now it will be easy for us to identify this. Let's first find out how we can find these angles. Now if you look at this arc AB subtends angle BCA as well as BDA. Does that mean this angle and this angle is same? Why? Because angles subtended by the same arc at the circumference are equal. So we can say that our Z is 35, right? Then this angle we got, Z is 35. Let's look at this angle. This is 50, right? This is 25. Now if this is 25, this will also be 25. Why? Because arc DC subtends angles CAD and DBC at the circumference. These two angles are made by the same arc DC. So angle X is also 25. So we got this as 25. Now what is left? Angle Y is left, right? So how do we find angle Y? We will take this triangle ABC. In this we have this as 35. We have this entire angle as 75 because 50 plus 25 is 75. We can calculate angle Y by triangle sum property, right? So let's write now. So whatever you are writing is very important. How you write and how you give reasons, that's important. So first we will take this arc. We will say arc AB subtends which two angles? Angle BCA and BDA. Angle BCA and angle BDA, where? At the circumference. At the circumference. So their measure is equal, right? Therefore you can say that angle BCA is equal to angle BDA, right? That means this angle is equal to this angle. So we have calculated angle Z as 35 degree. So now which is my angle Z? My angle Z is ACB. So this angle I have calculated. Therefore angle ACB is equal to 35 degrees, right? Oh, alright. Then we will go to angle X. Now for that arc DC. So we will write arc DC subtends which two angles? Angle DBC and DAC at the circumference. Angle DAC at the circumference. Therefore, angle DBC is equal to angle DAC. So, this means that my angle X is equal to angle 25. Which is my angle X now? It is CBD. Therefore, angle CBD is equal to 25. So, I have answered this part also. Now remains angle CAB. For that, you will take in triangle ACB or CAB, angle Z plus angle Y plus angle X plus 50, because this entire angle is X plus 50 equal to 180, triangle sum property. Your Z is 35, you don't know your Y, your X is 25 plus 50 equal to 180. 35 plus 25 is 60. 60 plus 50 is 110, right? So your is equal to 180. So your Y is equal to 180 minus 110. So your Y is 70. Now which is your Y? Your Y is CAB. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 70 degree. So we have found all the three angles, right? Now let's go to this question. In this question we have AB line is parallel to DC, and he has given us angle BCE equal to 80 and also angle BAC, that means this angle, equal to 25. He wants us to calculate CAD, that's this angle. So let's call this angle as X. CBD, that means we have to join this. So CBD is this angle, let this be Y, right? And angle ADC, that means this entire angle, right? Okay, now see, if this angle is 80, how much will be this angle? 100. Why? Because supplementary angles. So BCD will be 100. Fine. Now these two lines are given parallel. So if this is 80, this entire angle will be 80. This whole angle will be 80, right? So if this entire angle is 80, DCBA is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this entire angle will be 100. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Fine. Now, you have found this angle. You have found this angle. Now you want to calculate this. For that, you know that if you are able to calculate this part, X, this will be same because RDC subtends this angle as well as this angle. So X and Y are same, right? Now the question is, how do I calculate this? I got this angle as 100 because this is 80, so this will be 100. This entire angle is 180. Then DCBA is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this angle plus this entire angle will be 180. So you can calculate X. Once you got X, you will get Y. So let's write it now. So how do we write it? We will write this as angle BCD is equal to 100. Why? Reason is supplementary angles, because this angle plus this angle is supplementary. Now you can write angle BCD plus 25 plus X, that means this entire angle, is equal to 180. Why? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So your BCD, you already have 100. So 100 plus 25 plus X equal to 180. So your x equals 180 minus 125 because 100 plus 25 is 125. So your x is 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. You got x as 55. Therefore, angle y is also 55. Why? Because angle x equal to angle y, angles subtended by the same arc, which are DC on the circumference. Fine. Okay. So we got CAD, which was our x. We got CBD. Now, you can write angle CBD is equal to angle BCE. Why? Because they are alternate angles. Because line AB is parallel to line DC. But BC is 80. Angle BCE is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, angle CBD is equal to 80 degrees. Then you had to calculate angle ADC. ADC. So ADC, how will you calculate angle ADC? Angle ADC plus this entire angle is how much? 100. Okay, so we have already written that BCD is 100. So, okay, ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180.